Here's the thing. What if you live in a drought area and it's very expensive to water a lawn?
Yeah.
You want to reduce the size.
Sure.
What if you want to take a portion of your yard and grow a beautiful little flower island, which we're going to extend today. I'm going to show you how. Or if you're going to do construction, say
Sure.
put a patio in, guess what? If you don't kill that lawn to the root, it's going to grow through the concrete.
It will.
So the method today is going to be, I'm going to show you how to layer natural materials on the lawn.
Yeah.
So you don't have to spray chemicals, so you don't have to break your bag to dig out that lawn, and it will break down in about 6 months. You're going to have lawn-free, beautiful soil to plant in.
Guys, this is a game changer. We're going to get started. We'll talk about it as we're going here. But the fact that we're not using chemicals to kill this off and then planting stuff in, like maybe vegetables that we'd be eating.
Right.
It's so
You don't
smart.
want that.
Okay, first step, Shirley.
Okay.
What are we going to do first?
First step, we already did this. We mowed the lawn as low as we could. That's first step.
That was me. I got in here.
You got it, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, Cam, let's start just...
Okay, where would you like it?
We're going to put it close to that because we're going to extend that bed, but I want to give you a little area to move around.
Okay, I'll have a little room in here, but we get the idea.
So, guys, you're going to get some cardboard, maybe 3 or 4. You want to make things as thick as possible, just like that.
Okay.
And this is actually going to break down with time. If you don't have cardboard, you can use newspapers.
Okay.
So go ahead and spread those out.
Sure.
Like 6 layers. Just, open up some of the different, like sports section.
Got it.
Oh, no, it's going.
It's going. It's great. I love that we have newspapers. I miss newspapers.
I know. Did you read the headlines, Cam? Tragic. Let's cover that with dirt. We don't want to read that.
Okay, very
And then, Cam, behind you, you have some bricks, okay?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do, we put our first layer, it's called our brown layer. This is full of carbon. Carbon is very natural. It comes from wood pulp, which is, of course, this material. Yeah, let's do this.
Careful, I don't want you.
It will break down, and it will start to help to cook and to smother the lawn. And then maybe you're right over there. There we go.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm going to water this down a little bit because the water helps to break down the cardboard and
So you
the
actually
paper.
want this to break down. So you're smothering the grass.
Yep.
And by watering this, is going to kind of break it down.
Yep.
Thought you were going to spray me, Cheryl.
Well, are you hot? How do you feel, Cam?
I know you want me to kind of, speed it up a little bit.
Yeah.
But geez.
All right, Cam.
Okay.
Next.
Now, what's the next level?
Next, we're going to do wood chips. A nice thick, maybe 6 inches of wood chips in that area.
There we go.
Oh, look at that.
Is that too much?
No, are you kidding? He said, is that too much? We want ideally to be anywhere from 12 inches high to 24 inches, 2 feet.
Okay, so
the
I'll actually get the rest of them on here.
There we go. Cam, have you ever worked so hard?
Listen.
Listen.
You know, I used to be a fence and deck
landscaping
guy my
guy.
whole young life.
Let's throw some more of that in here.
Okay, you got it.
Okay, guys, so we are adding layers, kind of like lasagna. So this is also going to break down wood chips. You can use pine needles, whatever you have around your yard.
Beautiful.
Okay.
I love this.
Now, here's the trick. Let's get some soil, just garden soil.
Okay.
Throw it on top. This is our neck layer. The reason we want to do this, garden soil has bacteria in it. It has organisms that need to eat. So what is it going to do, Cam? It's going to start to eat the wood chips, and that energy that is used to do that causes heat. I told you we were going to cook our lawn. Keep on going, Cam.
And the heat actually kills the grass completely.
Absolutely.
And so that way, when you're ready, let's say you're going to plant some veggies or who knows what. So when you're ready to make that change underneath 6-8 months down the line, it's all natural, all organic, all
rich, beautiful,
rich, full of nutrients. Right?
Okay, I got one more jump. Cam, how's your back?
It's feeling good.
Let's throw some.
Feeling awesome.
Can you guys see him come alive? I love this. Okay, Cam.
I'm ready.
Oh, poor Cam. I don't want you to hurt yourself.
I got it.
Guys, get a friend to help you. So now the compost, again, has a lot of organic matter in it. And these little organisms need to eat, like I said, as they break down the newspaper, the cardboard, all that energy creates heat. And that heat is going to work to your advantage because it'll go deep into the earth layer, the area that we're trying to kill. And let me get a little more water.
I have gloves here.
Yeah, who needs them?
It's a little light
That's for
now.
people who care about dirty hands. Oh, yeah, let's do that.
There we go.
Okay, so guys, once a week, come on out, check. Basically your compost pile, right? This is like a compost pile. And if you want, add grass clippings, anything green that's going to die. Just build it up, and I'll tell you something.
Will this gradually be like reduce as everything kind of sinks in, as the grass sort of dissipates?
Yes, absolutely.
So that by adding the compost, adding things, will kind of keep the process moving?
You know you're composting.
Well,
you know, you start with 2 feet and you end up with 6 inches of 8 inches of soil. That's okay. It's going to come the spring, 6 to 8 months. This is going to be the richest soil for anything you want to plant.
Do you know how long we would be here if we had, like, you know, all the tools out, ripping up the sod?
I'm over that, Cam.
You know, using chemicals. This is boom. We just did it right here, right now.
We're composting in place, and again, you can do small sections of your yard. We're doing it in small sections. You can do big areas.
Shirley, you're amazing.
You're amazing.
And then when you're ready, you plant away, everybody.
Yeah.